Canadian travelers heading to the United States are being urged to rethink how they prepare for border inspections as scrutiny from U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) officers rises. Immigration lawyers caution that attempts to hide or limit digital footprints, such as traveling with burner phones, can backfire and result in heightened suspicion, potential detention, or denial of entry. Toronto immigration lawyer Evan Green calls the idea of using a burner phone the stupidest advice, explaining that presenting a device with no history is akin to signaling to border officers that you are hiding something. CBP officers are trained to detect deception, and a device devoid of texts, emails, or apps is more likely to invite deeper questioning rather than protect privacy. David Garson, managing partner at Garson Immigration Law, agrees, noting that an empty phone can trigger a chain reaction that could ultimately lead to being barred from entering the U.S. Although device searches remain relatively rare, only about 0.1% of travelers had their phones or laptops searched in 2024. The number of these searches has been steadily climbing. In 2023 alone, CBP examined over 41,000 electronic devices. Officers have broad authority to inspect phones, review social media activity, and demand passwords even without evidence of wrongdoing. Refusing to unlock a device can result in it being confiscated or the traveler being detained or denied entry. Lawyers are advising Canadians to approach the border with transparency, preparation, and professionalism. Travelers should carry supporting documents such as flight itineraries, proof of hotel reservations, employer letters, or event tickets. These materials demonstrate a clear purpose for travel and can help avoid prolonged questioning. Garson emphasizes the importance of self-assessment before traveling. Canadians who have participated in politically charged events, posted inflammatory content online, or engaged in activities that could be interpreted as anti-American should be aware that CBP officers may examine such behavior. While criticism of U.S. staff politicians, such as anti-Trump commentary, is not grounds for denial, content promoting hate or anti-Semitism can be taken seriously and potentially lead to refusal of entry. Traveling by air offers Canadians greater flexibility, as U.S. Customs pre-clearance areas in Canadian airports are still considered Canadian soil. Travelers can choose to abandon their trip before officially entering U.S. jurisdiction. By contrast, those entering by land who are subjected to questioning already fall under U.S. authority and could face detention if deemed inadmissible. The overarching advice from legal experts is simple: be truthful, be polite, and be prepared. Have documentation ready, avoid appearing evasive, and unlock your device yourself if asked. As Green puts it, the rules haven't changed, even if the refs are calling it more strictly. Travelers who present accurate information and behave transparently are far less likely to encounter issues at the border.